to forget the way that I held
You got it.
you.
I do.
And then we went to this restaurant.
Oh yeah.
What was that?
We're all here today to celebrate the love between Andrew and Allie. We've all seen this grow over the past few years, from going on their first date down at the apple orchard, from moving in together in Colorado, to going and picking up their first dog Opie together, to buying their first home together, and now to starting a family together, and now the next step, marriage, where you guys will start your lives together as one.
You know, when you look at Allie, you see something in her you don't see in a lot of people anymore. She moves through this world with such a grace and such an elegance. She always seems to find a way to make a room a little bit warmer, and she leaves everything she touches better than how she found it. And I just want to say thank you, Ange, for letting her be herself. When she's with you, she's just nothing but the best. And, you know, watching you guys grow and watching your relationship flourish over the past years has been nothing short of amazing.
We make sense. Darling, we just make sense. Ever since the day we met, we've been a perfect
I can't even get the first line out.
Our job as mothers is to nurture and love our children fiercely and guide them to be good humans, only to let them go into the world. This letting go happens repeatedly to us mothers. You aren't given a heads up that you will feel every emotion that they feel like it's your own. And today, all I feel is your exploding joy, your excitement for your formal commitment to Allie. You have found your person in Allie.
I belong with you.
Me and my wife, we spent our life trying to make our kids happy, like we all do. And now it's your job. So don't screw it up, okay? Do me a favor, just don't screw it up. Because she is worth everything to me.
Darling, we just make sense. Ever since the day
You know I love you, Beth. You will never know how much I love you until a couple of weeks from now. And then you will have your baby girl with you. First time you take her home, you hold her, you'll know how much I love you. You know?
You look so good. I love this.
I belong with you.
Would like to invite their guests to join them on the dance floor for the rest of their song. Come on up. Show them some love. Come on up, ladies and gentlemen.
When I think about love and I think about marriage, I don't really think there's a better way to describe it than Allie and Andrew. I mean, they support each other, they push each other to be better than who they were yesterday, but at the end of the day, they just enjoy each other. But with that, can everybody just please raise their glass? We love you guys so much.
I don't mind the chase, now that I got a taste, but it feels like I just keep running in place. I'll be here counting while you going high, until there's nowhere left for you to run but through my mind. You to be happy, but I bet you'd be happy with me. So I'll just keep on dreaming until it's reality, baby, you and me.
Allie, do you take Andrew to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Andrew, do you take Allie to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Definitely do.
Andrew, you make history, bride.